2, 3, go.
Guys, squish it around.
You could write something.
Go ahead. Ira, go ahead. Ira, touch your bag. Touch the paint.
Look, mix the paint.
Touch the paint.
Look.
I will touch the
What
paint.
is this? Pink. Green.
Oh.
See the
Green.
paint? Look, Mama. See the paint?
Look at orange.
Play with it. Mix it. Good job, Javon. Alex, what are you doing? Orange. What color is this?
Green.
Very good. How about this one, Ira? What color is this one? Green. And this one? Pink. Can you mix it? Squeeze it? Oh, you make a big line. Make a big
No, you gotta leave the
line.
tape on it.
You see?
Leave it on the table, Ira.
You see? Ooh. Can you make more lines? Let's do it here, okay? How about you, Chase? What color is this?
Green.
Orange. And this?
Orange.
Pink. Can you use your finger and play with it? Very good.
No, open it.
Good job.
Very good, Faith. Look at your paintings all mixed up. Look at all your mixes mixed up. Look at your paint. Look, Red Ray. What color is this? Orange. And this is green. Very good. You could write on it. How about you, Gabby? What are you doing with your paint? Pink. That's good. This
No,
one?
open it.
Green. Can you make a big line between these two?
Yeah.
Make it. Oh, good job. Let's leave it on the table, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Pinata.
Don't touch
Are you
that.
making shapes with it? More. What are you doing? Here, can we keep it on the table? Let's keep it there, okay? Keep it there. Oh, look. Pinata's paint changed. You guys see it? There's no more pink and orange. How about you? Can you mix it up? No, clean it up right now. Look, Ray Ray. Look at your colors. What happens when you mix it up? Faith. Good job, Faith. Alex, look what you're doing. What are you doing, Alex? You put your fingerprints on it? You put in your hand marks? How are you, Eric? Can you do it?
Whoa.
Oh, look at your thumb. How about you, Alex? Can you put your hand like this and work it?